When we look at yung kung anong meron si 30, strength-wise, skill-wise, meron na ba siya nung requirements for him to be successful at this level?
I think so. Number one is yung maturity niya kasi for the last 2 years, nandun nakita ko yun. Yung eagerness o willingness to accept the challenge, yung mga last minute, last second play na he wants to be the hero or yung not afraid to be the GOAT, di ba? Yung ganong effect. Malaking factor yun sa player na buo ang loob mo, diskarte. Minsan hinahanap ng mga coaches yung ganon Siyempre, yung given na yung pagka niya, yung leaping ability niya, yung quickness niya and everything. So it's like improve pan shooting. So gandang factor 'yon.
Kompleto na ba? I mean, is that enough? He has strength, dunking ability, he has shown the ability to hit the three-point shot, he can play defense. Is that going to be enough para makalaban talaga si 30 for a spot?
Yes. Ang siguro ang isa sa mga contributions din na nakita ni Coach Yeng is yung makaka-adapt siya. He can read situations kasi knowing Coach Tab, read and react, dribble drive. So more or less hindi naman nalalayo sa sistema ni Coach Yeng yon. He is a smart player. So siguro mas konti na lang yung adjustment period siguro ni 30 para dun sa men's team.
Ang hula